Select your photo and duplicate it. Move the copy to the side and select the background photo. Go to Edit. Scroll down to the filters. Select one of the mono filters. Move the other photo back into place. Crop this photo at the top and the bottom. Go to Elements and search for ripped paper. Go to Graphics and search for a graphic that you want to use. If needed, rotate the paper so it's horizontally straight. Go to Edit and select Shadows. Select the drop shadow and adjust the settings to your liking. Resize and move the paper so it covers the edge of the cropped photo. Duplicate the paper. Rotate the paper and move it so it covers the other edge of the cropped photo. And that's how you create this ripped paper effect. Check the link in the description for more tutorials.